a Skoda Felicia Fun, and it is a Ute from Skoda, 1998 model, and it is yellow with orange two-tone paintwork. It is the most outrageous vehicle I have seen in Portugal to date. It is truly wild and one of the weirdest vehicles I think I've seen in a very long time. It's totally outrageous, and this is coming from a person that has a yellow vehicle. This is too much yellow for this type of vehicle, definitely. Very interesting, and it has a built-in bull bar on the bumper, which is a interesting touch, and a spoiler on the tailgate with integrated third brake light, and a roof rack on the roof of the cab. And it features a poison arrow frog as the logo, with matching yellow wheels, of course, naturally. Welcome to StickShiftStudios. My name is Alex, and I vacationed in Portugal and Spain in April and May of 2018. Naturally, I had to document the foreign, forbidden automotive fruit that is not available in the United States. This is my first car spotting video. Now, on to the cars that I spotted. I hope you enjoy this video. I loved discovering new and unusual vehicles not for the US. Also, I did spot some modified cars. Can we call them Spanish rice? Portugal's plates differ from other European countries. They feature the registration year and month that the vehicle was originally registered in on the plate. This Peugeot is a 2018 model that was registered in February. Very handy for car spotting in a foreign country. Lisbon. First, here are my impressions of the vehicles in Portugal and Spain, along with the trends that I noticed. There is a great diversity of vehicles in Portugal, mostly European makes. USDM cars were few and far between. Sports cars were rare. I spotted a red 458 Italia, 2 Audi R8s, 2 new Civic Type Rs, and 3 Miatas, an NA, an NB, and an ND. 90% of the vehicles were diesels. Petrol cars were uncommon, mostly because the cost of petrol is higher than diesel. I can see why the US is outlawing and cracking down on diesel vehicles. The smell of these turbo diesels was extremely strong, filthy at times, really. No chance these cars would pass California emissions, but the diesel torque is great. Not to mention that the Vespas and bikes were way more filthy than the diesels, and in the main cities they were everywhere. Salema. This was my main takeaway. 95% of the vehicles are wagons and hatchbacks. That shouldn't surprise anyone. Sports cars and hot hatches are rare. The United States should embrace the wagon. There are so many great looking wagons. For example, the Mercedes-Benz CLA shooting brake and the BMW 1 Series hatchback come to mind. One of the things that blew my mind was the majority of the cars in Portugal and Spain were in really good condition, unlike Italy with the bashed in bumpers and scratches and scrapes all over every single surface of the car. Many of the cars from the late 90s were in excellent shape. There was no faded paint, minimal if any scratches or dings. I'm guessing the cars had low mileage. For comparison, a 97 BMW 3 Series convertible in San Diego would have faded paint, a faded BMW badge, and a ripped top. There seems to be a pride of ownership in Portugal. Many of the cars were not dirty either.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded
Lagos.
It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Iberia. This made my day. Loved spotting this 2000 Silverstone AP1 S2000.
Break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. 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 It's a cold-blooded love.
Nazaré. Cumbria. a sea of wagons and hatchbacks. Part 2. Barcelona. stumbled across this Fiat dealership in downtown Barcelona. Kia dealership in downtown Barcelona. First rat rod sighting. Woohoo! First N197 Mustang sighting. It was clean. Comment below on your favorite vehicle from the video. Or tell me the car you disliked the most. Thank you for watching StickShiftStudios. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to watch more of my automotive videos. Have a great day.